So, how been ya? Welcome to the Black Country Craftsman's YouTube channel. Today we're going to remove the damage from this heavily scratched UPVC door. Now, to complete this task you will need an orbital sander, various grades of sandpaper, 2-part car body filler, a can of white spray paint and a water bottle. Firstly, these UPVC doors are a through colour, where the finish is a polished finish of the material of which the door is made of. So these scratches, grooves, can be removed by sanding them out and polishing the finish back up to its original condition. Now the edge of the beading, the damage, is too deep to sand out, so this must be filled and spray painted. So to start, we must mix some car body filler, a 1-inch ratio of hardener to a golf ball of filler. Masking tape the rest of the door off, then fill up the damage. Back to the scratches. Sand them completely out using 120 grit sandpaper with an orbital sander. Now the door will seem a dull finish, which is fine, but you must make sure all the damage has been removed before continuing. Repeat the process using 240 grit and then 320 grit sandpaper. Spray the door with water. Then to finish, sand back using 600, 1500 and then 2000 wet and dry sandpaper. Mask all the door and glass off, then sand back the filler on the beading using 320 grit sandpaper and 600 wet and dry. Place your paint on a radiator to warm it up, as this allows it to come out a lot smoother. Then carefully build up the layers until the damage is completely covered. If you need to, use a heat gun on a low heat to dry the layers of paint. All done, as good as new, as we say in the Black Country. That's busted. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, smash us a like, drop us a comment, and if we can help you, we will. And please, subscribe to give us a little support. Also, please check out our other videos, as we've got quite a few out now. You may find something that might just help you out in the future. I'm the Black Country Craftsman. Don't forget to tell your muckers. Learning how to fix these problems yourself is cheaper than paying someone else to do it for you. Thanks for watching.